Oh my God, it is like helling. It's August, y'all. It's August in San Diego. Like, how's it helling right now? I feel sorry for all the campers out there right now. This is insane, unexpected. But we didn't use no shrimp. And it's breakfast time. Y'all mind, we're so thrilled, we're so excited. We're going camping. It's my cousin's birthday and Pee-wee with us. He's stressed out. But it's gonna be a fun trip. We got Captain Samantha holding it down. Turn that vegan narrating. Let's do it. This is the part of camping that nobody ever want to talk about or think about. And this is like doing your dump. Check it out. So all that good vegan food gotta go somewhere, you know what I mean? So we have a cassette toilet inside of our RV. This was our choice. We think it's the best option. Let me show you how we clean it. At first, I was against it. I'm like, man, I'm not trying to pull out my own, fun stuff and get the release and have to clean it. But it's honestly not that bad. So in here, we don't number 2, we just do number 1. But I'm gonna show you how we dump it. Today is to make sure we don't get no urine on the vegan. Turn it vegan, I don't like that. So we're gonna do our best to keep it in the dump and possibly on the glove. All right, this is where it gets tricky. No splash. All right, this is the first thing that she eating since we got here. It's gonna be my first bite. Somebody, I don't know if you ever like had some food and like had a friend that just like take the last bite or slap it out your hand. That's how I feel right now. I'm kidding. Caring is sharing. And you gotta share the juicy seeded watermelon, especially when it's cold and crispy. You know? Pee-wee, you having a good time, buddy? Did you eat all your food up? Or are you looking for more food? Oh, he's on the hunt. Young hunt. Ooh, sun is crispy. We gotta soak these black beans so they're ready for tomorrow. So we're gonna go on a bike ride, but we're gonna let these things take a nice bath for a day. That was the weakest roll up ever. One thing we really enjoy about camping is exploring, jumping on the bikes and riding around the campsite and just exploring to see what Mother Nature has to offer. Each campground has a different vibe. You see different things, different plants, and so this area is a little different than any other place we've been to. Very dry, but there's a lake right in front of us, so we're gonna ride around and see what's cracking. You ready? I have to bring you in the vibes. Yo, sunset, riding in the middle of nowhere. Can't nobody see it, hear us. I'm gone. Yo, the views just keep getting better and better. So I'm out of breath because it's climbing with this big rock. But that trail right there leads to the lake. It closes at 7, so we'll catch it tomorrow. I think we'll get a better view of the lake, even though I think we had a dope view. But look at this sunset. Oh my God, that's so beautiful.
The whole lake is pink.
Right?
It's incredible.
It is a beautiful, beautiful lake and view.
Good morning, good morning. It is Saturday morning. We had a pretty good night last night. I slept pretty good. Sam did sleep good. She felt it was pretty hot. She woke up middle of the night, turned the AC on. I think she slept a little bit better. So I'm excited for today. It's gonna be very hot, so I feel like the only time you can enjoy the morning, only time you can enjoy throughout the day is in the morning before it gets too hot, before the bugs come out. So sipping on some green juice. We're gonna do a little yoga, and then we're gonna make some delicious seasoned black beans with brown rice and a delicious avocado jalapeno sauce. The hot one today. It ain't a secret no more. I'm gonna share how to make my avocado jalapeno sauce. You're gonna need 3 jalapenos. You're gonna need a handful of some fresh cilantro, 1 avocado, about a 1/4 cup of red onions, 1/2 cup of vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and about 1 or 2 tablespoons of lime. That was a long morning. Just wrapped up cooking lunch, dinner. We decided to cook our main dish this morning because it's so hot. So today what I made was some brown rice with seasoned black beans that have bell peppers, onions, smoked paprika. We also have crispy onions, vegan feta, and then we topped it with a vegan chimichurri sauce. This looks very delicious. I'll share the main thing that's on here that I'm sharing is the avocado jalapeno sauce, and so I'll share that. You'll find it down below. All right, that was a very delicious lunch. Now we're gonna go over to the lake and see if we can actually get in this time. This is so beautiful. We are here at Lake Morena. Who would have known that this is such a beautiful lake right here in the backyard of San Diego? It's only like 45 minutes to an hour from San Diego. Don't look like you can swim in this water. I can see the dam a little ways that way. Look, I don't know where these clouds is coming from, but we about to rush back because it sounds like it's about to rain, and we got all our stuff sitting outside. All right, we called it. Good thing we came back. It's raining. It's raining hard.
Hot.
Look, you see,
Raining and cold.
everybody getting back to their spots. Everybody's stuff is blowing around. Oh man, that's the beauty of being out in nature. Nature catch you with a surprise and be like, yo, I want to bless you with some rain. I mean, I was joking a little bit at first, but like it's literally starting to flood. It's hailing at the same time in August in San Diego. This is crazy. We wasn't expecting this. I mean, I don't think anyone's gonna be able to stay here. It is flooding, raining, and hailing in August in San Diego. That is crazy. Nicole, how are you liking this camping trip that we're on right now?
We're loving it. I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
The bugs and I'm just like trying to connect with the bugs right now.
I can't tell if it's sunburned or hot.
Y'all sure this a tent? This look like a spaceship right here. It's like a spaceship, man.
Right.
3-bedroom, man.
Right? You got enough room for everybody in this one. All right, so we're headed home this morning. It is 7 a.m. We got another beautiful sunrise. Totally different vibe compared to yesterday when it was raining all crazy. So the family's here. We have about 5-6 other campers. It's been pretty cool. It's our first time camping with other people. Well, what we're gonna do now is make breakfast. We haven't had a traditional breakfast since we've been here. Yesterday we made beans and rice because it was gonna be super hot. Today we're gonna make a delicious flatbread using some pink oyster mushrooms I grew at home. So let's get right to it. About to drop this fire Trader Joe's banana bread right on the fire. That's gonna be nice. Look at these beautiful pink oysters. We grew these at home. It took about 7 days to grow these. Now we're about to grill them up. All right, so this is our last meal before we leave. This one looks so delicious. So we have Italian flatbread, we have pesto at the bottom, we have our seasoned pink oyster mushrooms, we have red bell peppers, vegan feta, and a delicious red bell pepper sauce we made yesterday. And so I'm gonna top it with some sofritos. Make sure the wind don't steal it all. This will give us a little bit more flavor. But wow, look at that. I'll say you something. All right, about to take, you already took a bite of your...
I snuck in one.
How is it?
It's so good. Look at the inside.
Wow.
Right?
What do you like most about it?
The bread is fluffy, but the mushrooms and the sofritas are crunchy. The sauces are so good.
Yay!
It's full of flavor.
She likes it.
Delicious.
That's a win.
Win. Definitely win. No middle name, but like 20 first names.
We are winding down. It's our last night here. Talking like we've been here for a month. We only been here for 1 day. But yeah, this place, Lake Morena, if I had to rate this campground based on the other campgrounds we've been to on how much we like it, I'd probably rank this as, on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it a 3.9. Mainly the score is pretty high because the bike trails are incredible. The lake is probably one of the most beautiful lakes I've seen up close. But the reason why I subtracted a few points is because the campgrounds, I feel like they could be just a little bit better, but not necessarily better, but compared to the other ones, it's lacking a little bit. So I highly recommend Lake Morena, and we definitely are enjoying the vibes. All right, we're signing out, headed back home. That was an incredible trip. We plan on doing another trip in the next couple of weeks and sharing the content as well. So if you enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment it down below. Peace out. See you next time.